Alrighty. People will probably still be joining in, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us this morning or afternoon or evening for some of you. My name is Joby Jester, and I'm the security team chair here at COVESA, or Connected Vehicle Systems Alliance. And we're going to have our cybersecurity track today as part of our all members meeting. And we'll have some links and such so that you can get connected on more types of these events after today. If you do have any questions during any of the presentations, please either use the raise hand or chat function so that we can address those questions if we have time. If something goes unanswered and the participant wants to, answer you, they can answer after their panel via the chat function as well. And please keep your mics muted at all times unless you are a speaker. I will force mute you otherwise. So I don't want to have to do that. We want to be able to hear everybody. So I'll go ahead and jump into our presentation today. So again, like I said, we are the Vehicle Systems Alliance, which is an open, collaborative, impactful technology alliance looking to accelerate technology and be collaborative and open in the connected vehicle space. And that's not just road vehicles, that's connected vehicles. So working together, we look to create a more diverse, sustainable, and integrated mobility ecosystem with the mission to allow all of our members to collaborate and be, efficiently integrate across different adjacent industries, as we talked about, I just talked about a little bit before. Have a collaborative experience. Many of the speakers that you will hear today are COVESA members, but this just as a side note, the security team track does not require you to be a COVESA member. We would love if you are, but we don't currently require membership because we want to ensure that when we cover cybersecurity for connected vehicles, we want to be in as open and as collaborative as possible. And additionally, we want to expand our open community's expertise in creating different projects. Some of the major initiatives right now for COVESA are the CVII, or Connected Vehicle Interface Initiative, as well as the in-vehicle payments team and the security team. So about me, I am the director of embedded cybersecurity at Capgemini Engineering. I had previously worked at a software security company, Erdetto, working in the connected vehicles area. I also worked as a cybersecurity architect for connected vehicles for Ford Motor Company. So here's a little bit about the security team. I already kind of talked about it. Our mission statement is focused on actionable automotive security through industry collaboration. What that means is that, there's a lot of different organizations out there that we partner with, including the SAE and the Auto ISAC, as well as we're going to have our keynote. He's an ASRG member and collaborator there at the Automotive Security Research Group. And so we work with other groups in the industry to create actionable frameworks, actionable, relevant conversations to have. We were one of the first to touch on ISO 21434 in spring of 2020 and fall of 2019. And so what we do is we oftentimes have deep discussions around cybersecurity, but not just from a technical standpoint, also from legal, marketing, sales, and leadership opportunities, right? And we've created a lot of bonds in the security group, and we see each other at conferences now that things are opening up. And so it's a great way to get yourself more ingrained in the industry, learn about what's really going on, because we don't pull punches, to be honest with you, and then work on a lot of different technical and non-technical sort of blogs and white papers and things like that, right? Reasons to join, well, we're friendly, right? Everyone's opinion matters here. And you can work on, like I said, those different types of opportunities. And like I said, you have speaking opportunities. We do, typically twice a year, sometimes 3 times a year, a call for topics for speaking. And that's how, many of our speakers today have been able to get on the platform and talk about is what passionate for them.